Okay, so this one here, you want to go ahead and once you see a table, guys, rather than reading it, you want to go ahead and look for a list of spreadsheets and then do menu 413. So we're going to come out here and read it, create an equation. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. Yeah, same thing. Easy, really quick, easy stuff thanks to the calculator. So we're going to get 2 points. I'll go 4, 5, and 8, 8. So on the calculator, and I'm going to go to a new screen. 4, 5, and 8. 8. Come back to this corner here, go menu, 4, 1, 3. And we'll go with B, and then control left hand side, enter, enter. So for me, I know this stuff already, as 3/4 and 2. So I say 3/4 and 2. But just in case you forgot how to do this, you can convert this to a fraction using the calculator. So I'm going to go here to Control C. I want to add a document, calculator, Control V. I'm going to go to menu 2, 2, enter. Let me see. Oh, I should not have a 2 there. Right there, 3/4. So come out here, and for the answer choice, I'm going to put 3/4 and a 2. 3/4 and 2. Then we double check. I forgot. Was it positive 2 or negative 2? 3/4 and 2. That's it. Pretty easy, guys. Really straightforward. Thank God for the calculator. It makes it way easier for this test. Go to question 12. Which equation proportional? My review, guys, remember proportional meant that it goes to the origin. Okay? And when it comes to all these equations, they're in the form of y equals to mx plus b. You go through an equation where it goes to the origin. You're going to have y is equal to mx plus b, but b is really plus 0. And usually, you know, we don't ever write plus 0. So you're going to have one number x. One number x out. One number x. So this will translate into y is equal to 1/2 of x. This one's 2x plus 2, and there's not a x at all, so out, out, final answer B. So this one here is saying a quadrilateral PQRT and quadrilateral KLMN are similar. So the way they write that, guys, is very important. PQRT means that P corresponds to K, Q corresponds to L, R to M, and T to N. And so it's very important that the way they name it here is consistent. So X is going to be right here between Q and P. So we have to compare it to KL. Okay, so where's KL? KL is 8.91, and this should be 8.91 down here, and it's not, so that one's out. Okay, so then we're going to come right here. X, again, X is PQ. And that corresponds to KL, which again, 8.91. So yes, that checks out. This checks out really good. So now we're going to come back to this triangle. I'm going to decide this quadrilateral. Again, they're comparing 4.12 RT to compare to MN. So RT should go to MN. MN is Y. And you see, no bueno there. So that one's out. I'm going to go Y, erase this stuff ideas. Y over 4.28. Y over here, I don't see it, so I'm going to go over here. Y is MN. Goes to RT, let me see. MN goes to RT, 4.12. Oh, so that one's out. Y to 4.12 out. Oh, look here, it matches up. So we know that goes very cool. So MN goes to RT. We're trying to get that here, so that works out. Let's just do that one more time so you can see what I'm saying. So we're going to go with Y, which is MN, should go to RT over here. Checks out. Now we're going to come back to this one over here, and we're going to go with 9, KN. KN should go to PT. KN to PT, right? And there's PT. PT is 3, and that matches up. So this is our answer. Pretty easy, no thinking there. Just find a little pattern. Hopefully you remember the patterns. Okay, oh, this one's easy. I just glanced at the answer choices real quick. That's easy. These two are wrong because you have to have the first between a 1 through 10 number, okay, times 10 to some power. This power here, the exponent, is positive. It's a big number like this one. So I notice here, this is not between 1 through 10, not between 1 through 10, out, out. Yes, yes, and this is a big number, so it's going to be positive, so this one's out. And so that's the way that one goes. But to where that one should be worked out would be going from left to right first, non-zero number, put the decimal. The original decimal is over here. How far apart? 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where you get the 4. So Shakira has an investment account that she deposits 200 each year. This table shows the amount of interest she earns in dollars and the ending balance each year. So year one, she deposits this much interest earned, so that's going to be added to the account. So the account starts off with 0, but she adds 200, then adds that 2%, and then she winds up with that. At the beginning of the next year, she'll deposit that again. So she's already have what, this stuff, which is 204, and she's adding that, so now she's at 404. Then they add interest, so she's at, I don't know, 404 plus 8 gives her, yeah, 4. So it's increasing every year by 204%. So let me read out. The balance increase is by 2% of the sum and every year. So it's not increased that much. This, yes, but not to 200 and that much. So this is correct, but not this part. It's not going to increase by 204. That was like the only first year. The balance increased by 2% of 200. No, because this is the increase of the total balance. So no. The balance increases by 2% of the prior year's ending balance. Okay, it does, but also an initial deposit of 200 bucks. The balance increases by 2% of the sum of the prior year's ending balance and 200. Yes, that's the answer. So every year it's increasing by, at the end of the year, it's going to go and increase by the percentage. All right, and it's going to increase by 200. Okay, dilated. That's already easy. That's going to be multiplication. R prime is 6.2. R prime is 6.2. Dilated, multiply. Okay. So I like to go and look at the R prime is 6.2. And R is at 9.3. Okay. So remember, the new over the old is the idea. And then we're going to go X. Right? So new one would be 6 over 9. Divide them both by 3. Divide them both by 3. That gives me 2/3. And there she is. Now you can also see. Hold on. Okay, a triangular prism and its dimensions in feet are shown. Okay, so it is. Okay, yada yada yada. 10, 10, 18. Total surface area. This is easy. So we're going to go total surface area. S is equal to PH plus 2BS, just in case. Let's figure out what P is. P is going to be the perimeter of the base. Since it's a triangular prism, the base is the triangle. This is 10 over here. Okay. So perimeter would be adding up 10 plus 10 plus 12, 32. Your height is going to be distance from base to base, 18. And then your big B is going to be 1/2 BH. So just looking at my triangle here, it's going to be the one that makes the right angle. So we're going to go with 1/2, 12 times 8. 1/2 of 12 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, so we're going to go S is equal to P, which is 32 times 18 plus 2 times 48. This is 96 plus 32 times 18. Okay, so then we're going to go with 32 times 18 is 576. And then we're going to add that. It's 98, 674. Let me see, 674. Hold on. Okay, so going and looking at this, I messed up. Alright. There's 2b. 2 times b. Oh, I did it right. 2 times b. Hold on, let me find a mistake. Pi. No, no. What's pi? 3.6? So it's 3.14 times that whatever squared. Fifth, bro. Did you hang out with the girls? Wait, I took that. Somebody over there go. Oh, Alan, when he comes back. What are you doing on Sunday? To the where? The food you got? Jeez. The Espiro Papa? Those are good. Plain. What's the Espiro Papa? Yeah. The last one? We've been going to go buy the fruit there. So cheap. You know, has blueberries, strawberries, bananas, blackberries, and it's like dirt cheap. And then the avocados are like $1 or something. And you go to the freaking store, they're like $4. I love avocados. Oh, yeah. Love them so much. But then every time we go, we get a Tito Papa for sure. Or put salsa, lemon, salt, ketchup, everything on it. You know, just water. And then, and then a lemonade. Or enchiladas on it. Really good. I like it. And then that Sunday, what'd you do on Saturday? Went to PAX? No, I heard it was a cord over there. You moving it. That's fine. You're fine. It's good. Dude, we are all that stuff. I can see it, bro. They already complained about you once. Stop it. Then Sunday we had we went to Tristan had a game baseball tournament, so we were there. And then my uncle had like gone to HEB the day before on Saturday. Tristan fell outside, hit his head. So he was fine, right? So he goes home, whatever. I don't know what happened overnight. I think it was like swelling or going bad. I know. He wakes up and it's having a fall. Wakes up again and he's in the hospital. So we're gonna go visit him last night. I know, I felt so bad because I had to just go. Yeah, we're gonna go to the lifestyle store. And she was all dressed in boots, and then my cousin tells me, hey, there's nothing to do. Like, okay, I'm gonna go over there check on him real quick. I think he's gonna die.
Why did you think it like that?
Well, it's true. He's older, right? He's in like 80s, right? And but he was like really bruised, and his head was really swollen because they cut him open to relieve the pressure because he was bleeding inside. So I was like, I can't. Yes, yeah, and then leave him. I have to go to him later. I was like, oh shoot, Tyler's gonna be not happy. We didn't go. We didn't go because we took too long. I felt bad. Yeah. It's part of life, you know. I don't know. But I was like, I felt bad because we're not gonna do the lifestyle.
Sir, oh my god.
Was she stressed or like, and
But
actually?
you're over here, like, so someone's gonna die and you
No,
feel
he's
bad
probably
for
gonna die.
going to the life hospital, you feel bad
Well,
not
the thing
going.
is, he's already getting older, and he's not like, I don't think, I think the family was there. They already know. You know, I think they know already. Like, he's gonna go check in. Alright, and I think it's better that he does. Not like I want him to. I think it'd be the thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's happened to my grandma. She was 86. She was like really sick, but then one day she broke her leg. She fractured her leg.
Yeah, and that once it happens,
She's not sick.
it takes a lot of toll on everyone. Yeah, go for it. It takes a lot of toll because now the family's gotta take care of him, the tia, my tia. She was not happy. I should let him go. When he comes back, there you go. Like she was crying and everything like that. We took her home actually. We took her home, and that's why that's why they asked her home. And it's not like I don't love him, but I rather celebrate life and be with my kids, having fun, than be with them. But I will gladly, not be with my kids to take care of them too. It's just life. You gotta be aware of it.
Yeah, but that's not because she fractured her leg. They got to stay with her.
Yeah.
My grandma, like she has a lot of medical bills now. My grandma, my mom's mom, she lives with us to take care of us. Like whenever we're working, my dad's not here. So we work.
Same thing, man. So for that one, just type this. Ready? No, I'm here. Type this right there. Pi 3.14. No, right there. Times. No. So zoom out, or yeah, like zoom out. Yeah, there it is. See it? Time. Yeah, it's somewhere there. Good or bad? You're never gonna beat Daniel. So just get it. Yeah, he was. No?
Oh, Daniel?
Yeah. He didn't run the 200?
He's done like 800. Too less. Honestly, I thought Flacco would do exactly that. Because he's on good team.
Do you happen to have like a strategy? Or you just run? Yeah. Run?
You just run and you know what to do.
So this is like look at your speed, right? Like this is lap one or lap two. Most people go really fast and they're dead. You got me? So well then you do this. Slow in the first and fast. So change it. So time yourself, right? Okay. So if you go really fast and really slow, that's okay, right? But if you can kind of like gauge it, now you know where you're at the whole race. Does that make sense? Now does that make sense? Like you can break it down by hundreds, you can break it down by 200s, you can break it down by the lap. What was your total time? Well, you need to know your time for sure. So imagine that. If you did it in 2 minutes, just roughly, right? You'll never do that, but in 2 minutes. That's every 100 at 15 seconds. Yeah, 15 seconds easy. But most people think like this and they go really fast and they're going faster than 15 seconds slash they're dead for the last tempo. So if, honestly, if you ran them at 20 seconds, you probably still win. And 20 seconds is like a good job. Good job. You can't run anybody else's race. You got to run what you run. You got to break it down like that. Especially in a race like that where you have time to think. Because now you have all these demons and all these things in your head. Oh no, they're going faster than you. Oh no, you can catch them. Oh no, wait. What's that? Is there something about shoot? There's all those crazy things. Yeah. Like, first off, get your time. Hey, what? I can get them, dude. And what? And jumping? Hey, if Daniel's there, don't jump because you're not gonna win.
Yeah, don't even try to embarrass him.
No, don't even try,
What,
man. Just
what's
skip
his
up and
speed?
jump.
What's his speed? Did he win?
No.
He didn't win.
He just jumped. Oh, but he was only high jump. I'm talking about long and triple. He didn't jump because they didn't let him go from, or he didn't go from triple jump. He stayed there.
He got first. What was his thing? How was it?
Hey, what? You ran the 800?
And he got fourth.
What's your name? Well, swear, you didn't have plates at all. Who's gonna care?
He's like in his heat.
No, we don't care about the heat. Heat's like whatever. You run against time. What's that guy's name over there? He got time. Who are these guys?
Back in his heat though.
Oh, you ran for Ralph? Oh, wow. So let's go with seconds. That's like 35, right? So you can go at 120 plus 35. That's how many seconds you ran. And divide that by 60. That's 2 minutes and 24.4 times 60. That's 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Right. Let's see the winning run. Can you do that? That's at 18 seconds. So what you want to do is you want to be in such good shape, and then you want to I guess every time you get on the track, get yourself used to running at 18 seconds. Get used to that pace. Because 18 seconds, 100. You'll see how slow that is. That's so slow. And you would win if you did the other stuff. Get yourself a watch.
What if he's like running the pace and he gets like lost?
Man, it's gonna be like crazy really fast. But so roughly the curve. So he's roughly running 20 seconds. This guy. Um, not the straightaway or the curve. 20 seconds. That's what he's kind of running. All right. If he does it at 18 seconds, which is just 2 milliseconds faster, he'd be at that, which is 2 minute and 24 seconds, which is the winning time. Yes, you can. You have a strategy. You can't just go run and get this. Right? Huh? What does that mean? Yeah. They all faster. These guys got 90s and 80s over here. 90. Oh, you got 90 seconds. What did you get? 75.
I got meat, at least
Oh, okay.
63. But the last one,
How do you work this?
You can't. Not
Like,
here.
no, I know, but this is about to turn on, right?
Don't turn off. It'll destroy everything.
tell him who got a logo in the first benchmark.
How do you know what to write?